Now here's something really cool about this light fixture. Right there, there's a little photo cell. There's a seeing eye. Let's see if I can get you in there. See that? Right there, it's designed. I'll point it out to you. That. It's designed so when you have the light switch on, the light is not going to go on until it's dark enough. And if you want it that way, then like at night, if you want to use it for security light, let's say, you can just leave the light switch on. So at dusk, the light comes on, and at dawn, the light comes off. Now, if you don't want it like that, you can leave the light switch off all the time, and then at night, if you just want to turn it on, because there's somebody at the front door, you want to turn it on just for a couple hours before you go to bed and then turn it back off, you can do it that way too, okay? So, for you to test it out, you take a little piece of electrical tape, and I've got the light switch on right now, and you're supposed to cover this up. Now I covered it up with my thumb, and I thought, hey, how come it's not working? Well, they said to take a little piece of electrical tape, so I got the electrical tape, and see, you put electrical tape over it. That kind of mimics being at dark, and the light went on. Isn't that cool? Okay, so now if you turn the light switch off, the light goes off. You turn it back on, it goes on. So that's how it works at night. So if you leave it on right now, during the day, you can do that, and it will stay off. Okay, so you've got two ways to control that light. Isn't that cool?